In this challenge, we are looking at the campaign settings of Google Demo Store. So the question is, what are the various source and medium values used by Google Demo Store? So I'm going to go to Google Analytics and show you where you can find this information. So here I'm in Google Analytics. In order to find the campaign settings and the campaign performance data, you need to go to Acquisition and then Campaigns. So click on it and then All Campaigns. This is where you can see all the campaigns that Google Demo Store is running. So there are currently 9 campaigns. But what we need to find is the source and medium values, not the campaign names. So where do you find those? Look at these links right here. You have source, medium, and then the source medium combination. So click on source medium, and there you have it. So source is partners, and the medium is affiliate. That means they're running an affiliate program, and they also have campaigns that are running on Google, and they're paying by click. So it's cost per click. CPC campaigns is what they're running. And here is the performance of those source and medium. So you can get all the numbers such as users, new users, sessions, bounce rate, etc. So that's it. This is how you look at the performance of your campaigns and find out what source medium values you're running. When you're passing your own parameters, you will be able to come and see them here.